What's up everyone? My name is Elena and I'm back with a new video. In this video I'm going to be showing you a $4.99 eyeshadow look, and it's the look I'm wearing right now. It's so pretty. I love the way it came out and I'm so glad that you can find inexpensive makeup that works so great. I hope you guys enjoy it and let's just get started. Alright guys, we are just going to jump right into the eye look today. I already have my foundation and brows done. I did conceal my brows, so I have a little bit of like a primer on my eyelid. For the eyeshadow palette, we're going to be using this super inexpensive Wet n Wild Not a Basic Peach palette. We're going to do a pretty basic eye look today, nothing too fancy. We're just going to keep it simple and easy. So I have you guys zoomed in now. Okay, first color we're going to get started with is this one at the top. And I'm just going to put this under my brow bone and like in my crease and in my inner corner too. We're going to move on to the next transition color, which is this one at the bottom. And I'm going to take that on a fluffy blending brush and I'm going to start on my outer corner, and I'm kind of applying and blending at the same time. I'm really enjoying how these are blending out. Alright, now I'm going to take a clean brush and just go over everything I just did, just to ensure that I don't have any harsh lines and I'm all nice and blended. Plus this is just like a foolproof way to get like super smooth eyeshadow. Next up is going to be a darker shade. We're going to go in with this one, and this is going to go right here on the outer corner. Okay, I'm just going to start blending this a bit. Alright, going in with a smaller blending brush, I'm picking up that dark shade again. And then going back in with the medium brown shade. This is just a really easy back and forth kind of eyeshadow look where you just go back and forth with the same 3 colors or 2 colors. I think this is like just one of the basic techniques that you can use to blend eyeshadow. Pretty happy with how that looks. You could just leave this eyeshadow look just like this, but I'm gonna take it up just one more level and use one of the shimmer shades. I'm gonna take this one right here. And this shade is not like a super shimmery shade. It's just like a little bit of shimmer. I'm gonna move on to the lower lash line now, and I'm gonna start off with the transition shade. Okay, and then I'm gonna take the darker shade and put that closest to my lash line. So for mascara today, I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Telescopic. And I'm going to put this on my top lashes and my bottom lashes. You could totally wear this look just with mascara, especially if you have longer, thicker lashes than me. But I am going to put on some lashes. I'm taking the Christina Lash. Just pop those on really quick to kind of blend the lashes in with my real lashes. I'm going to take some liner. I'm just going to go in with the black liner. This is Morphe Dark Room. So the lashes are on, eyes are done. Now we're going to move on to the face. For concealer today, I'm using the Too Faced Born This Way. And I'm going to blend this out with my Flower Beauty sponge. I'm going to take a blending brush to get right in here. Taking my Nye Neutral Set, and I'm going to use that to set my under eyes. I'm taking it on the sponge and just pressing it into my skin. I'm not really baking, I'm just taking a lot of powder and pushing it into the skin. For bronzer today, I'm taking the Colourpop Private Party. Now I'm going to blend away any extra powder. To do that, I'm going to be taking my MAC Fix powder. And this is going to help me blend my bronzer too. Now on to blush. I'm taking this LA Colors Rad Rouge blush. It's a super bright pink. I love a bright pink like this. Okay, I think I went too crazy. I just get so carried away with blush. Oh yeah, I went way too crazy. And now I'm going to spray my face. I'm going to take this Skindinavia makeup finishing spray. Okay, for highlight today, I'm going to go in with the Wet n Wild Mega Glow highlighter. This is in the shade Blossom Glow. Taking the Morphe lip liner in Sweet Tea. I went over my entire lips with that shade and I'm really liking it. I do want something a little more pinky though, so I'm going to go in with the shade Flirt by Morphe. Like this. Oh, I love this eye look so much. Really enjoyed the way this look came out. It's super cute. I love this Wet n Wild palette. I do have a bit of fallout onto the palette, but I don't really mind with that. It's super inexpensive. $4.99 I paid for that palette, and look at the eyeshadow look I got. Super blendable, easy to use. I love that palette. I hope you guys will go out and get it. They have other variations of this palette. I want to try more colors. I think I'm going to go and buy some today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a like. Also subscribe before you leave. And if you're interested in my other videos, go and check them out right here.